Hi. Good morning. Can you smile this morning? Huh? Are you in a good mood? Huh? What's been going on? Did you have good dreams? Did you have good dreams? What did you dream about? Huh? Sam, what did you dream about? Huh? Good morning. Tell me about your dream. What did you dream about? What did you dream about? Huh? Oh, let's straighten you up. There you go. Oh my goodness. Are you ready for a good day? Huh? Say if you get up early with me, you get all the smiles. Whoever gets up early with me gets all the smiles. Sam, will you smile for me one more time? Huh? Will you smile for me so I can start the day? Just a yawn? A half yawn? Alright, we'll say have a good day.